Hi, girls.
Chickens. Stay away from the door.
Oh, in, nugget. Other way.
Oh, they did lay some eggs.
Where?
And
Stop pecking my toes.
there's just sticks in there.
Can you grab the food bowl?
Food bowl? Oh, okay.
Come on, off. 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 Off.
Chickens.
Off.
Come on.
Right, you need to empty that in here. And we have 2 more eggs.
Wait. So we got like how many chickens?
We have 5. Ow! Stop it.
Oh, Jesus.
Stop pecking. You'll be TikTok famous. Go on.
Hey, chicken nugget.
Right, Liza, if you want to go to the thing, go out.
Bye bye, chicken.
We'll be back in a minute, girls.
Aw. Chicken nugget wants some food. You have no food?
We shall be back. Yes, I know. Will you stop going on there? Yes, Nugget, we'll come back.
I think it was chicken wing.
So, that is the chicken's food
Hello,
pot
Gumbo.
filled up.
Gumbo's there.
Yeah. Where? There's Gumball
Who's watching the chicken?
and the chickens.
Are back.
Go on, quickly. Put it in.
Oh, Jesus. Chicken nugget was trying
quick.
to make. Why do they really want to get out so bad? This is like basically the.
We have some silly chickens that think they can get it through the fence,
Oh my god.
which I am a bit.
Chickens. It's not how you do it.
What do you want? You've got food. Yes, you've got food
I
now.
think they want to get outside. Like, here. Let's go chasing. Very good chat.
But the chickens are still trying to get the food from the other side instead of going in. Oh.
Something got in.
One's got in.
Come on. Come on, chickens.
2 of them still haven't quite worked out that you have to go through the
One
hole.
of them are eating something off the ground.
Yeah. No. Oh, another one.
Right, is that one gonna fall? Yes.
Yay!
Need one more in.
Just one more to follow.
Come on.
Yay!
Yes! They figured
And
it
that,
out.
we've got plenty of water.
Yeah, because we got.
I've got a massive water feeder and a small one. And now they're busy eating. And that is our chickens.